Good evening. Today on the Crown Lounge, we're going to do something different. It's getting close to the holidays, so you want to do something more festive for the holidays, right? Like, let's do a twist on an old fashioned. Matter of fact, let's do a banana bread old fashioned. Yes, banana bread old fashioned. All right, first, I'm going to use 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm going to use Buffalo Trace because it's a more sweeter side of the bourbons, I believe. And banana bread should be sweet, right? So we're going to go 2 ounces of bourbon. A half an ounce of a banana liqueur, right? This is Drillud's. Banana liqueur, it is about a 25% alcohol per volume. So let's go just a half an ounce. Next, ooh, you can smell a banana too. I have a brown sugar simple syrup, right? You know how to make a simple syrup, right? 1 part sugar, 1 part water, equal parts. Bring it to a boil, make simple syrup, right? There's plenty of videos on simple syrup, but we're going to do 1 teaspoon of brown sugar simple syrup. Next, we're going to do a dash of a chocolate bitter and a dash of a black walnut bitter. I'm going to just give it a quick stir. I'm going to add my rock. Stir it a little bit so it can chill off. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar simple syrup. Next, we're going to do a dash of a chocolate bitter and a dash of a black walnut bitter. I'm going to just give it a quick stir. I'm going to add my rock. Stir it a little bit so it can chill off. So now if you had like a banana chip, you know, maybe some shaved chocolate, you can use it as a garnish. This isn't about garnishing your drink. This is about enjoying your drink. Cheers. That you can taste a banana in it. That is a really good old fashioned. Again, this is something you can, you know, it's Thanksgiving coming up, right? Or whatever. It's winter, right? This is a winter cocktail. When it gets a little cooler, just imagine out by the fire, by a camp, you know, campsite or whatever, right? Make it in bulk, take it with you, and drink it by the campfire, right? That's a good old fashioned. That is a banana bread old fashioned. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Till next time. Cheers, guys.